Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to study an interesting topic of English grammar, the adjective. So for understanding that topic, let's read the following sentences. First example is in front of you. Sita is a clever girl. And the second one, I don't like that boy. Students, in sentence 1, the word clever shows that what kind of girl is Sita. In other words, we can say clever is describing about Sita. In sentence number 2, here that is addressing towards the boy. It is asking which boy is meant. So students, a word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing which the noun names are to tell the number of quantity is called an adjective, or we can say adjective is a qualifying words or describing words. Sometimes we take adjective means added to. Now students, let's understand about the parts of adjectives, through how many ways we can classify the adjective. So look the following sentences. The lazy boy was punished. And sentence number 2, the boy is lazy. Students, in sentence number 1, the adjective lazy is used along with the noun boy as an attribute. It is therefore said to be used attributively. And in sentence number 2, the adjective lazy is used along with the verb and forms part of predicates. It is therefore said to be predicatively. Okay. Now students, whichever adjective is used before the noun, that is called in attributive use, and which adjective that comes to become the part of predicate, and you can say comes in the last of the sentence, those adjectives are used to be as a predicatively. Now students, we would like to go towards the kinds of adjectives. So first kind, if we talk about adjectives of quality, or we can say descriptive adjectives. It shows the kind of quality of a person or thing. For example, ये किसी भी व्यक्ति या वस्तु की क्वालिटी दिखाते हैं. जैसे एग्जाम्पल के रूप में, कोलकाता इज अ लार्ज सिटी. लार्ज इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट सिटी, अबाउट कोलकाता. ही इज एन ऑनेस्ट मैन. वह एक ईमानदार आदमी. सो हियर ऑनेस्ट इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ मैन. Now if you come to the second part, actually students, adjective of quality answer the questions of what kind. Of what kind, किस प्रकार की चीज है. If we talk about the second part, adjectives of quantity, it shows how much a thing is meant. कितनी मात्रा में कोई चीज है. For example, I ate some rice. He showed much patience. So here friends, in sentence number 1, some is a quantity that is showing about the rice, and sentence number 2, we can say much that is showing about the patience. Friends, adjective of quantity answer the question how much. If you put up the sentence how much, put up a question in a sentence how much, then we can find the answer rice. Suppose that how much rice did I eat? तो I can say I ate some rice. मैंने कितना चावल खाया. How much? तो आंसर है कि मैंने कुछ चावल खाया. Okay. Now we would like to move towards the next kinds of adjective, that is adjectives of number, or we can say numeral adjectives. It shows how many persons or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stands. For example, the hand has 5 fingers. And example number 2, few cats like cold water. Friends, when we try to put up a question how many, then we can find adjective of a number in a sentence. Suppose एक हाथ में 5 उंगलियां होती हैं. कितनी 5. So 5 is called adjective of numbers are numeral adjective. Students, if we talk about the kinds of numeral adjectives, it has 3 kinds. First one, definite numeral. Second one, indefinite numeral. And third one, distributive numeral. So if you talk about the definite numeral, it denotes the exact number, like 1, 2, 3. Like 1, 2, 3, that is also called cardinals. And if you talk about the second type, first, second, third, which is called ordinal. So these are called definite numeral adjectives. Now let's come to the second part, indefinite numeral adjectives, which do not denote the exact number. For we can take some words, all, no, many, few, some, etc. Now students, if you talk about distributive numeral adjectives, which refer to each one of a number. For example, each boy must take his turn. Each boy must take his turn. Second example, India expects every man to do his duty. So each and every is here distributive numeral adjectives. Now students, we would like to talk about the next type, that is called demonstrative adjectives, that point out which person or thing is meant. ये जो adjectives किसी एक निश्चित person की या वस्तु की तरफ इशारा करते हैं students, and these are used just before that noun or things or person. For example, this boy is stronger than Hari, or that boy is industrious. Students, this and that has been used before boy, क्योंकि ये जिस किसी भी व्यक्ति या वस्तु की तरफ इशारा करते हैं ठीक उसके पहले यूज किए जाते हैं, इसलिए एडजेक्टिव्स बन जाते हैं. Students, when we put up a question which, कौन सा, तो then we can find the answer of demonstrative adjectives. Now students, we would like to know about interrogative adjectives. Students, what, which and whose, when they are used with nouns to ask questions and they are close to that noun, they are called interrogative adjectives. स्टूडेंट्स, जब व्हाट, विच और हुज किसी नाउन के साथ ठीक उससे पहले यूज होते हैं और क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं तो ये इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स बन जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट मैनर ऑफ मैन इज ही, वह किस तरह का आदमी है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट मैनर, मैनर से पहले व्हाट लगाया गया तो यहाँ पर व्हाट जो बन गया इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, विच वे शैल वी गो, हम किस रास्ते जाएंगे. विच वे, हम किस रास्ते, यहाँ पर विच शब्द वे को डिफाइन कर रहा है और क्वेश्चन भी पूछ रहा है, इसलिए इसे कहेंगे इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. इफ यू टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल, हुज बुक इज दिस, जनरली वी आस्क इन अ क्लास, हम क्लास में अक्सर ये पूछते रहते हैं हुज बुक इज दिस. तो यहाँ पर हुज शब्द बुक के लिए आया हुआ है और ये क्वेश्चन भी पूछ रहा है और बुक को क्वालिफाई भी कर रहा है, इसलिए हुज विल बी कॉल्ड एज द इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. Now students, we would like to go towards the next type of adjectives, that is called emphasizing adjectives. Students, generally two words are here, own or and very, that are used to show emphasizing adjectives. For example, how we can say, I saw it with my own eyes, मैंने इसे अपनी आंखों से देखा. Here own शब्द eyes को क्वालिफाई कर रहा है, इसलिए ओन होगा यहाँ पर एम्फेसाइजिंग, क्योंकि यहाँ पर किसी चीज पर जोर दिया जाता है, एम्फेसाइज किया जाता है और ये उस वर्ड्स को क्वालिफाई भी करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड एम्फेसाइजिंग एडजेक्टिव्स. सेकंड एग्जांपल, इफ यू टेक, दैट इज द वेरी थिंग वी वांट, यह वही चीज है जो हम चाहते थे. वेरी थिंग, इसमें वेरी में बहुत भी जानते हैं और सेम भी बोलते हैं, वही चीज, इसलिए इन्हें कहा जाता है एम्फेसाइजिंग एडजेक्टिव्स. दे आर कॉल्ड. Now students, let's see the next example, next kinds of adjective, that's called exclamatory adjective. Students, generally we use what words. what शब्द को ही exclamatory adjective के रूप में यूज किया जाता है जब ये किसी नाउन या abstract नाउन से पहले चले आते हैं. For example, what genius, What an idea! Like this. The what in the both examples is example of exclamatory adjective. So students, hope that with the some examples you have understood properly what is an adjective and how many kinds of it. So you need to attend the following question and you need to find out the adjectives from the following sentences. Which kind of adjectives are they? Students, sentence number 1. The ship sustained heavy damage. Number 2. I have called several times. Next, every dog has his day. Next, a live ass is better than a dead lion. Next, every man has his duties. Next, say the same thing twice over. Next, several persons were present at that time. Next, he is a man of few words. Next, neither party is quite in the right. Next, what time is it? Next, which pen do you prefer? Next, the way was long. The wind was cold. The minstrel was infirm and old. Next, he comes here every day. Next, I have not seen him for several days. And the last one is for you. There should not be much talk and little work. So see you in next video with the new topic.